Song of the modern smartphone landscape has only one note, and that note is square, monochrome, and 18:9. Let's face it, it's been more than a decade since we last saw smartphones seriously innovate. There's a tried and true rectangular formula and everyone is sticking to it. But it's 2017 now and people are starting to look for a change. While some manufacturers are leaning on gimmicks like mods, looking at you Motorola and LG, other brands are trying to seriously push the envelope in terms of what we expect from our daily devices. Both Lenovo and Samsung have been famously playing with foldable devices, but the first one out of the gate in that regard has been ZTE. The ZTE Axon M represents, finally, true innovation in the handset sphere. It's genuinely unlike anything we've seen before, offering two screens for the price of one with a simple, robust hinge that opens the door to a whole new world of possibilities. What makes the Axon M stand out? We've seen a lot of interesting concept designs from a variety of brands, but ZTE is the first to bring something truly different to the commercial market. The Axon M isn't the first phone to offer two screens, but it is the first phone to offer two screens right. While the dual screen phone market is very much in its infancy, the Axon M is for the trendsetter, someone who wants a phone that stands out and isn't another Me Too device. This is a smarter smartphone thanks to the new multitasking features that just aren't possible with other smartphones. The Axon M's unique display setup opens up the floodgates for developers on a whole new level. The possibilities with this true dual screen are unlimited, and developers are springing to action to craft creative new interfaces to match. It's certainly an early adopter's device for those who are ready for something new to finally arrive. Not only is the Axon M stimulating the developing corner of the world, it's also causing case makers to turn an interested eye. The future of mobile tech will not be limited by a single 18:9 screen, and case makers will need to adapt to fit. The Axon M is a harbinger of a completely novel mobile landscape. Why two screens? Multitasking has long been a pain for all mobile devices. Many software innovations such as split screen have been dedicated to solving this issue. However, nothing can quite make up for the sheer power of added display real estate. The Axon M's dual screen setup allows you to run two apps simultaneously in their full states, watch videos while taking notes, keep texting while browsing the Reddit thread you've been perusing, or look at two different cat photos at the same time. The world is your oyster. It's a standout device that's sure to turn heads around anyone who uses it. Far from a Me Too gimmick, the Axon M is a genuine innovation that offers practical utility alongside eye-snagging design. It's a device for the working man that can handle multitasking with aplomb and entertainment with zeal. The ability to fold out the phone into tablet-sized screen space is an additional advantage that no previous device has been able to claim. Tablets in general suffered an initial rise in prominence, followed by a fall in use, largely due to their non-mobile size. However, with the Axon M, you're able to carry all the screen size of a tablet right in your pocket. ZTE has worked with a variety of designers to custom fit this tablet experience, and it's even possible to extend displays across screens on apps that weren't specifically designed to do so. The device's software is just as flexible as its hardware. The Axon M is a device truly willing to bend over backwards to get what you need. The Axon M is a first-generation product that offers a ton of great features right out of the gate. However, as developer interest increases, owners will be able to do more and more with their Axon M. It's wholly possible for one screen to operate as a controller while another works as a console emulator, offering unprecedented mobile gaming potential. It can function as an ebook with pages displayed on either side. The only limit to the future of dual screens is our collaborative imagination. If you're interested in getting in on the future of smartphone tech, the ZTE Axon M is exclusively available on AT&T and is also available for purchase at Best Buy locations as well. Follow the links in the description and start doubling your screen time.